Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can recover deleted photos, videos and chats on Snapchat app. First, open your Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll all the way down and tap on My Data. Now enter your username and password. You can also enter your mobile number. You will see a list of all the data Snapchat can recover for you. Confirm your email address. Snapchat will send you an email to this email ID. Snapchat will then prepare a copy of your data. This might take some time, especially if you have a lot of data. When you receive an email from Snapchat, open it and download your data from the attached zip file. Once downloaded, extract the files and you are done. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.